Meghalaya government and Apollo Telehealth Networking Foundation signed an MOU for the first cancer care project in Meghalaya. Health Minister James Sangma called it a moment of pride. He said the government wants to give a focused approach not only in terms of treatment but also early detection. This project is being done on a pilot basis starting from East Khasi Hills. This initiative will be a boon in strengthening and improving the capacity for early diagnosis of cancer through awareness and mass screening, thereby helping us provide comprehensive treatment. The Health Minister also informed that the government has also planned an Ayush and Wellness Centre to be inaugurated in Upper Shillong.
We want to give a very focused approach, not just in terms of treatment but also early detection, and also in terms of maintaining their data, which is very important. Yes, this is the Ayush and Wellness Center which we are starting at the BRDC only. This is to bring in all the best practices of Ayush and try to integrate that with our traditional healers.
Chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress,